Hello, good day, good morning. Doing this in front of people is always so weird. Your favorite Vegas squad is back for another trip video. So here's just like a little casual view. Basically Lake Michigan, what can I say? Someone disagrees, but okay, whatever.
Jenna, where are we?
Oh, I forget to say where we're in Malibu, and it's not Photoshop. I made my VSCO girl video like last week. If you haven't seen it, I will link it above, go watch it. And I photoshopped myself to be on the ocean, and here we are on the freaking ocean. We are beaching today and drinking margaritas. The place we're staying, there's morning yoga on the beach. And that sounds super great, except if it's super duper early, although I'll probably be up by then, honestly. Cause yeah, is it 3 hours or 2? I don't even know what time it is, but that's vacation, right? Oh, hi. Don't mind me, just, you know, out here doing my makeup. By the way. So don't mind like the noise in the background because I'm sure there is some. So basically, I'm out here in Malibu, California, celebrating my 24th birthday. It is so beautiful out. I cannot get over it. We just spent the last few hours at the beach just like relaxing and hanging out and drinking margaritas. It was really great. We have dinner reservations for tonight. It's nothing too extravagant. We are gonna be doing yoga in the morning, like sunrise yoga on the beach. Literally my dream. I flew in this morning and we got here this afternoon. It's just been really great so far. I really needed to get away. You know, 1 month of school really does you in. So I did my makeup on the plane this morning and I only had this like itty bitty mirror that's like in one of these like compacts, and it was so difficult. And then with like the cold air like blowing on me, oh boy, it was rough. Like you get dried out so fast, it's unbelievable. I don't have people like travel a lot for work because my skin would literally hate me. I can't believe I'm 24, like that's really old. Like what? Ew. Oh, my hair's a mess. What's up? Good morning. Casual morning views. You know, sitting out there drinking coffee, casual day in the life. Hi, welcome. We're about to go do yoga on the beach.
Missing the way you taste. Now I'm messed up and I'm missing you. And I be like you. Stop looking at me with those eyes like I could disappear.
It is gorgeous. Wow. We're going to brunch. Oh, that was aggressive. We just did yoga on the beach and no one else signed up for the class, so it was a private lesson. Whoa, we're really fancy. Good. So they're watermelon mimosas. This angle is really rough, but I don't want to be obnoxious like having it. I don't know if you can tell the view, but that's where we are right now. Super low key, super chill. We feel so good after doing yoga this morning. Like, yeah, and it's like not super crazy busy here, which is really nice.
What I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I messed up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I would give anything to change this fickle-minded heart that loves fake shiny things. Now I messed up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you say I made a mistake?
Okay, hello, we are leaving the beach right now. It's been a really fun, sunny day, but like it's absolutely gorgeous. It is unbelievable. And don't I look like super like VSCO Cali girl with this hat and sunglasses mixture? Yeah, Midwest who? I don't know her. Hi, just got out of the shower. Oh, look at that tan line. Yes. We went and got some iced coffees. We ordered 2 and we got 3, so that's pretty sick. This day has been so incredible. Kind of doing my makeup. Bye. Okay, just want to show off the fit. And so now we are off to dinner. Dinner we had was probably one of the best meals I've ever had. The crab cakes were so good.
Like actually incredible.
Yeah, and now we are just casually, you know, driving down PCH in a convertible at sunset. Not a big deal. That food was fantastic. Moon Shadows, Malibu.
Interesting waiter.
Yeah, he was a voice actor, and
I don't know if he told us like 6 or 7 times.
He literally told us, yeah, and he told us a couple stories of like him telling someone like, oh, but I'm a voice actor to like get something, and he said it didn't work ever. Hey, good morning everybody. Malibu day 3. It's a little bit more overcast today. Huge upset. It's fine. We are heading to get breakfast, and yeah, today's plan is pretty much just like beach and food, and then I fly out.
What I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I'm messed up and I'm missing you.
Breakfast day 3. Ultimate vacation.
Shiny things. Now I'm messed up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like